Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a paper Minecraft server. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. First of all, go to your Google Chrome, and then from here you're going to search for paper MC, and you're going to join this website. Then from here you're going to click on the download section. Then from here you're going to click on the paper. Then from here you're going to click on download it. Then from here you're going to go on desktop, and you're going to make a new file that's called paper server. Click on it and then save it. Once you have it saved, then you're going to click on downloads and you're going to open it. Now that you have it right here, you're going to just double click it. And now from here, you're going to right click and then going to new, and then you're going to click on textboard. And then from here, you're going to click on whatever you want to just enter. Then once you double enter on it, you're going to enter this text. So you're going to copy this from the description and you're going to paste it right here. Then you're going to just make sure that you have enough RAM. So for example, this is 4 GB of RAM. I have 24, so 4 is enough. But if you have a weaker computer, then you can make it so that it's only 2 GB of RAM by entering 2000. Then from here, you're going to click on the 3 dots, save as, and then you're going to save it as all supported files or unknown. Go to the same folder where we had the server. So paper server right here, and then from here going to click run.bat and then going to click on save. Once you have that done, you're just going to double click on it, click on run, then it's going to now continue and then press any key, and then from here it's going to start launching by double clicking on it. So we're going to now rename this server. So instead of having paper.stuff, then you're going to just delete everything else and have it just as paper, and then you're going to run it again. And now it's going to slowly start running the server. Now it will fail the first time intentionally because we need to just change one last modification. So let it be, and now it's going to just give a few warnings. And then from here, going to click on OK. Then you're going to open the EULA. So double click on the EULA. And then from here, you have this whole command, and then at the end false, just make it true. And then going to save, and then going to close. So now once you run it again and then click on run, now it's going to actually run the proper server. And now from here, you can get ready to just launch your Minecraft Java Edition. Just make sure that you're running it on the same version as the website and as the server is running. So click on play. Once it's getting it done, then you can see right here, it's also running properly. So now from here, just going to scroll down. Once Minecraft is launching, just going to click on it right here, and now from here you can just full screen it and then go to multiplayer, add a server, and you can just write localhost since it's your own, and then just name it whatever you want and then click on done. And now once you have it right here, just going to join it, encrypting and joining world, and now it should work all good. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.